So gas prices are rising again already. Yes, that was fast. For the last week or so, I've been trying to figure out why gas prices weren't falling as fast as I had predicted they would. After Liberation Day, right? I thought gas prices are going to plummet. Everyone thought that. Every expert, every analyst, everybody and their dog was like, yeah, gas prices are going to just plummet. I've told you guys many times about unforeseen consequences of manipulating markets. Things happen that you don't expect, and that's why you shouldn't do it. That is exactly why gas prices are rising right now, something that was completely unforeseen. Another example of why you need to let markets do what they will without trying to move them. So the average price of gas in the United States right now for a gallon of regular gasoline is up to $3.17. No, it's not $1.98. It's not. Now this is the RBOB, and for the purpose of this video, we'll call this the wholesale price of gas. The wholesale price of gas fell by 36 cents a gallon after Liberation Day. You see that big drop there? It fell by 36 cents a gallon. And it's recovered a little bit, but it is still 26 or 7 cents a gallon cheaper than it was before April the 2nd. But gas prices only fell by 10 cents, and it took them 2.5 weeks to do that. And they only did it for a couple of days, and now they're already on the climb again. Why is this a thing? Why is this happening? Why aren't gas prices following wholesale prices? So here's what's going on. Convenience stores are keeping their gas prices higher to make up for their loss of sales inside the store. Yes, over the last month, 2 months, sales inside convenience stores have dropped dramatically. And you may know this, that's really where convenience stores make their money, inside the store. So to make up for those massive drops in sales inside the store, they just didn't lower their gas prices like they normally would. And as one could have predicted, but for whatever reason we didn't predict, when people are scared of the economy or when they don't have extra money, they don't spend money inside convenience stores. That is discretionary spending. That is a result of this market manipulation. This is what I'm talking about. When you artificially manipulate markets, things happen you cannot predict. This is one of those things. Gas prices did not fall like they thought they would. That's why they continue to lie about gas prices. And the reason they didn't fall is because consumer confidence is way down. People are scared to death to spend any money because they don't know what the future looks like. Or they just don't have the money. Once I sort of figured out that this might be happening, I got online and sure enough, convenience store sales are slipping. And this was just before Liberation Day. This has accelerated a lot after Liberation Day. What are the long-term effects of this? Now that gas stations know that they can just keep their prices high, what are the long-term effects? There's psychology at play here. It means basically from now on, you're going to pay more than you would have. From now on, you're going to pay more than you would have. So what have we learned? Crashing the economy to bring gas prices down doesn't work. Because then people are afraid to buy stuff. So gas prices stay high. Yeah. Who would have thought? Thanks.